I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by opening the calculator and creating a new document. Once there, type the equation you want to solve exactly as it appears, using parentheses for compound terms. Next, define any parameters or symbols you'll treat as constants so the solver knows what's fixed. Then choose an initial guess. Pick a number close to where the curve crosses 0. This initial step matters because Nsolve uses that guess to iterate toward the correct route. Now call Nsolve directly. Either use menu right arrow algebra right arrow solve or type Nsolve, expression, variable, guess into the prompt. For a single equation, type Nsolve fx x 0, 5. Make sure the expression is zeroed fx equals 0. If you have a system, pass lists, Nsolve ec1, ec2, x, y1, -1 and include a vector of initial guesses. Once entered, press enter and watch the iterative output converge to a numerical solution. Finish by substituting the returned value into your original equation to confirm it satisfies the equality. This verifies correctness. If Nsolve fails or returns an error, try a different initial guess or sketch the function on a graph to identify root locations before retrying. Also increase precision or tighten tolerances in settings if answers seem off, and double-check for typos or missing parentheses. Small syntax mistakes commonly block convergence, so correct them and rerun.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.